Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of my new video uploads. Also follow me on my other social media handles, that is on Facebook and Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolutely Creative. I'm Swathi. Today's video is all about how we did Virat's first ever haircut at home. Let me first tell you all that today's video is going to be in English. Since it's going to be all about Virat's hair and haircut related, so I'm guessing most of you will be interested to watch it in English. So I decided to switch to English for this topic. So now let's get into the video. First, let me tell you all a little backstory. As you all might have seen in my delivery and Virat's birth video, Virat was born with a full head of 2-inch long hair already. You can see the picture here. I will also link down Virat's birth video in the description box below for you all to watch if you haven't watched already. Many a times you all ask me what's the secret of my hair or even Virat's hair for that matter. Obviously the family genes is the reason, like I always tell you. As I told you earlier, Virat was born with 2 inches long hair, and by the time he got 4 months old, his hair grew up to 4 inches long. Genes definitely plays a huge role in the quality of our hair or hair growth. From the pictures here, you can see that we got Virat's head shaved for the first time in India when he was 5 months old in November 2019. Then within the same month, we also got it shaved the second time as well for a better hair growth while we were still there on our trip to India. Then we came back to USA in December 2019. I am now going to share pictures of one whole year of Virat's hair growth after his hair tonsure. That is from December 2019 to December 2020. So do observe the hair growth carefully. These are the pictures from his half birthday celebrations at 6 months of age on December 20, 2019. This picture is from January 2020, that is 2 months from his hair tonsure. This one is after 3 months, 4 months after, 5 months after. You can also observe some of these pics in the Virat's first birthday milestone journey video. I will mention the link of it in the description box as well. 6 months after Virat's hair tonsure, that is Virat's first birthday celebrations, we wanted to do his haircut before his first birthday, but we couldn't do as we were scared to trouble that tiny little soul right before his first birthday. And also we couldn't take him to a salon outside due to the pandemic and lockdown situation. So we decided to let it be. Now watch and enjoy some more clips of Virat's hair growth from June 2020 to December 2020. Another 6 months of Virat's hair growth journey. Many of you have asked me in the comments section what hair oil and shampoo I use for Virat. I actually use virgin coconut oil for his hair and Himalaya baby shampoo right from his birth to till date. I'm still using the same, no change. Although I'm not endorsing the Himalaya baby products or shampoo here, as this is not a sponsored video, it was just our choice to use Himalaya right from the beginning. Many of you have also asked me about what special I ate or what did I do for Virat's better hair growth while I was still pregnant. The answer is no. I haven't ate or done anything specific focusing on baby's hair growth while I was pregnant. As I said, it's all in the family genes and hereditary. So that was Virat's hair growth journey. Now let's look at how we ourselves did Virat's first ever haircut at home. January 2021, this was the time when we gathered the courage to actually try cutting Virat's hair at home all by ourselves. Although we are not hair cutting professionals, also we never cut anyone's hair, especially not babies. Even then, we decided to do it now to test our hair cutting skills and also to see how well Virat cooperates with us. So that if this experiment turns out to be successful, we can also do another attempt of Virat's haircut right before his second birthday in June 2021. So this was the plan. So now let's see how our experiment goes. Before we start, let me tell you all to please be prepared for some tears by Virat, as all kids do cry while haircut. So we are trying to divert his attention away by playing some baby cartoon rhymes on a phone. Here I am just trying to measure his hair before the haircut, just like I did for mine at the time of my haircut. Virat now has almost 6 inches of hair currently. Then we wrapped a cloth around his neck. And then we made a few ponytails of all the extra hair. And cut them just above the rubber bands. And I'm saving these in a Ziploc bag just as a memory. After all the ponytails are done, then we went with some scissors and a trimmer. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end to look at the final outcome. Now this is the final look after all those tears. And this is all the extra hair gone. Virat was quite actually surprised with the look and started to figure out where did his hair go and how light he was feeling on his head. I know you all might be thinking we could have gone more shorter with Virat's haircut, but trust me, this was all we could do with his cooperation. Also, we didn't want him to get hurt by going more closer and shorter, so we let it be this way. Although we did our best, our experimental haircut came out quite okay. To find out if we attempted another haircut for Virat's second birthday or not, keep watching my channel for another haircut video soon. So that's all for today guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment down your thoughts, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative.